Hello everyone, welcome to Kefi Souls. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic which most of you will connect to. If you have noticed, your energy levels in the morning are quite high. You plan your day pretty well. As the sun sets and your way back home, there's a lot of thoughts which is going on. That once you reach home, you will take your pet for a walk, you might play with your kids, you might cook a delicious meal, you might hit the gym, you might have a yoga class, you might go for a walk. But what really happens on reaching home? Once when you reach home, you are so low on energy and feel tired that you do not feel like doing anything. You just want to take your most comfortable position and relax. Many of you even complain of foot pain, knee pain, lower back pain, joint pains, and overall body pain. What you want to do is simply have your meal and just go off to bed. When you go off to bed, you are rolling on your sides because you are struggling with the pain. You are not in the right mind frame to go off to sleep as well. So what do we do in such situation? How can we overcome this? What can be done so that we feel rejuvenated and feel a little more better and light? So today I'm going to talk about hot water foot soak. Hot water in itself is a magic. You feel so calm and so relaxed if you take a hot water shower. Why? Because hot water in itself is going to relax your mind and body. So to increase the benefit of hot water, we will add one magic ingredient to it. This magic ingredient is available across pharmacies. It is quite reasonable, so it should not cost you more than 10 to 15 rupees. So what is it that I'm talking about? If you have guessed it right, I'm talking about Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. So why do you require magnesium sulfate? What are we doing by adding this Epsom salt to the hot water soak? By adding Epsom salt to the hot water soak, we are supplying the right amount of magnesium sulfate to the body. You might be thinking, why do we need magnesium sulfate? What is magnesium sulfate going to do to our body? It is simple. Magnesium sulfate is excellent for the muscle function. It is going to help your muscle perform better. It is also excellent for the nervous system. Apart from that, it is excellent for the heart health and it increases your level of energy to the optimum level. Lastly, it is also going to help you for stress and mood regulation. How do you proceed with the hot water foot soak with Epsom salt? What all would you need? You would require a bucket of hot water. Make sure that the water is nice and hot and it is filled up to 80%. Don't fill it completely because there are chances of overspilling it. You would require a packet of Epsom salt. This packet is available across all pharmacies. There is no specific brand that is required. You can pick up any brand of your choice. Those who have dry skin, always it is recommended that you apply either moisturizer or you can apply any kind of oil which suit your skin. Here I am using cold pressed coconut oil. If you like any particular fragrance or if you want to enhance the relaxation process, you can pick up any essential oil of your choice. And yes, we would require a towel because after the end of the process, you would want to wipe your feet and then take the further step. So let's get into the process. What I will do is, I will simply tear off the packet of the Epsom salt and make sure that the water is hot, and I will transfer the entire packet into the hot water. First, try to just swirl the water so that the Epsom salt mixes well with the water and it dissolves completely. I have a tendency of dry skin, so what I will do is, I will take a few drops of coconut oil, apply it on my feet so that it does not over dry, and I will just move my pants a bit on top so that it does not get wet. And then what you do is simply soak your feet in this nice hot water. I will just try to get rid of the coconut oil which is there on my hands and just wipe off the extra. What you can do is, you can also add essential oil. So here I am adding 2 drops of chamomile oil. This is my favorite and it is going to increase the relaxation process. as we sit back and relax and we are enjoying the foot soak, I would like to share with you all that who all should definitely practice this. All those who have a lot of pain in the foot area, they have knee pain, joint pain, they are having severe foot cramps, those who are having calf pain should definitely try this. Those who have some sort of bacterial infection or any kind of infection near the toe and the foot area should definitely follow this. If you have a lot of dead cells, like most of the women and the girls out there know it already, when you go for your pedicure session, you have a good hot water soak. The only reason is to get rid of the dead cells very easily. There are few people who sweat a lot from their feet, and when they use shoe and socks for a longer time, they usually get some bad odor, and there's a lot of foot odor which is a common problem in them. So they also should follow this particular practice and see the difference. Also, those who don't get good sleep at night should definitely practice this ritual at least for good 15 to 20 minutes and see the difference in their sleep pattern. We have discussed enough about the benefits of the Epsom salt, of the hot water, and how to practice it, who should be practicing it. But there is a category of people who should not be doing this. So those category of people should completely avoid this hot water foot soak. And who are they? All those who have a lot of swelling around their foot area, there's a lot of swelling below the knee level, should not be following this particular practice because it is going to aggravate the pain further. So what do you do in that case? We are even coming up with that video that if you have a lot of swelling around your foot and your ankle region and any swelling below your knee area, what do you do? We are working on that and we will share this information very soon. Also, those who have open cuts and wounds below the knee area should not be doing this because it will aggravate it further. It might worsen the situation. Lastly, those who have extreme dry skin should avoid this completely because hot water have the tendency that it will pull away all the moisture from your skin. So hence, please refrain from doing this particular practice. If you have semi-dry skin or a tendency of developing dry skin after a hot bath or a foot soak, please apply good amount of moisturizer or any oil that suits your skin before and even after the foot soak. I hope you have liked this information and you are definitely going to practice this. Do practice it and let me know that how did you all feel. Now even the question comes that how often you all should be practicing it. Ideally, you can practice it 1 to 2 times a week. You all can even practice it daily. Just make sure that your skin is not getting dry. If it gets dry, you know what you have to do. So do practice it religiously and see the difference that it makes to your mind, body and soul. Do share it with your friends and all those who are suffering from these common problems. Before I could say a goodbye to each one of you, please make sure when you are done with your foot soak, please use the towel. Please wipe off the extra water and oil completely and then take your step ahead because we do not want any accidents. All that we need is that you stay fit, stay healthy, stay charged up all throughout your life. Thank you very much.